Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Saturday, and we have some sales to walk through with you guys. We're going to follow Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hi, friends. All right, we're starting in box AK today. Sold this Hannah Anderson boys, like Nordic, Norwegian kind of sweater. This I picked up at the JBF sale for $5. Sold it on eBay for $20 plus shipping. And thankfully that's just under a pound, so it'll ship out in a poly mailer. AD. I think Destiny's grandma shopped our eBay store. Our viewer Destiny, she left a comment saying her grandma used to wear these, right?
Yeah.
Something like that. So, or this brand.
Her Mima or something.
Yeah, when I showed these in our haul, I almost felt like I shouldn't have bought them because I'm pretty sure they were just sold at Walmart. Or like they're a very cheap sandal to begin with, and I just have sold them in the past. I think I found them at the bins and they sold really fast last time, so I was like, no, I'll try it again. And they sold really fast, so
Yeah.
I guess if I can get them cheap enough, I will pick them up. But
Earth Spirit brand, right?
Yep. And these sold for $27.25 plus shipping on eBay. I have $6.99 into them, so not bad. And thankfully they fit in a padded flat rate. So yeah. All right, Boden.
How you doing, Reese Bear? You sleeping? Lucky.
Sleepy boy. Okay, sold this mini Boden like Halloween shirt. This is something I bought for my son off ThreadUp. I paid $10.99 for it. He did get some wear out of it, and I sold it for...
He's like, where my tummy rub?
I'll come back for you.
Sorry.
So yeah, paid $10.99, sold it for $18.95 plus ship after we got our wear out of it. So awesome sale. Love making profit off stuff my kids got use out of.
Yeah.
And that'll ship in a poly mailer. That was only listed on eBay for a few hours before it sold. I never even got to cross post it. So, all right, box L. Crocs. All right, these guys sold for $27.25 plus shipping. I did have $9.99 into these, which is more than I like to spend for Crocs, but they're just such fast sellers that I can't help myself. So those ones are under a pound, and so I will ship them in a poly. Gotta be a little bigger one though. Dog poly. Alrighty, box AD. Hope this is a viewer sale. I'll take it out. So this is that Pokemon pillow. A viewer, it doesn't, her label has like a business name.
Oh, she didn't
share
her
your
name.
But
okay.
Thank you so much. She said she grabbed it for her Pokemon obsessed daughter.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have $3.50 into this. I listed for $25 and she offered me $20, which I was happy to accept. So yeah, I think I just listed it yesterday. So what was I gonna say about it? No, I just like, our kids love Pokemon too, so
Yeah.
I had no idea if it was even worth it when I bought it, but I
Right.
figured if I wasn't gonna sell it, I would keep it for them. So
And it was
cool.
dated, right? Did it? Yeah, right here.
yeah, I think it might have been made from like an old sheet or an old pillowcase or something. Like I feel like someone sewed two pieces together, but they did a really good job if they did. So
Right.
So yeah, thank you.
Yes, thank you,
much.
whoever you are. Thank you for all the support, and I hope your daughter loves the new pillow.
Yes. And I'm sorry, I did not see, she said she reached out via Instagram, but I did not see the message.
Oh.
I'm glad she was able to snag it before.
Right.
it sold.
Yeah.
Oh, back in box L.
Totally jealous though, because I love that pillow's awesome.
That's probably why it took so long to list. We were like, should we sell it? Should we keep it?
Right.
All right, so these Sorel booties, I have $16.99 into these, but I listed them at $79 and got an offer for $60. Might have listed them for $89 even. I can't remember, but I was happy with $60. That's about a $30 profit, so awesome, awesome sale. I think a regional B on those. And then box CL. All right, this is the brand Lakin McKee or something. I don't know. I found these at the bins during my stimulus check challenge, and I kind of regret even picking them up. But someone offered me $7 on Posh today. I had them listed at $25, which I know I wasn't gonna get $25. I was hoping for like the $15 range, but they've been listed a while, and they're really heavy. So like it was on Posh that someone offered, which means the shipping's covered. Versus if it was eBay, these are like 3-pound jeans, so it might have cost me $15-16 just to ship them out. They do not fit in a pad of flat rate, so
Right.
I went ahead and accepted. I only have $1.31 into them, so Poshmark though does take $2.95 fee off of a $7 sale, so I made like what, $4.95. So it's like a $2.70 for profit. But
I mean, you double your money,
triple
almost
my money.
triple your money. There you go.
But yeah, I'm moving them along. They're like fleece lined and stuff, and I don't know enough about the brand to know that they're gonna sell,
Right.
so I'll take the bird in the hand with that one.
Yeah,
All right, and then box Z. Probably won't be picking that brand up again.
for sure.
All right, this is another viewer sale. Getting nervous. So this is just an Old Navy like Mario shirt that I bought for my son off of Kiddizen a while back for $10, and then Lindsay bought it from me on Poshmark for $10 with discount shipping. That was the Pasha BA offer she accepted, and said she just found our channel, has been binging it, and just started reselling again. I don't know if she said again or just started, but
Right.
good luck with your
Yes.
reselling journey, Lindsay. I went into her shop after she said that, shared some items, and saw she had quite a bit listed. So if you just started a week ago, that's amazing. I think she had like 160 something
wow.
items listed. So
Yeah, rocking it.
yes, I was like, wow. So thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much for the support, Lindsay,
Alrighty, so
and good luck.
yes, some Merrell boots. Oh, shoe shelf, not top shelf. I was like, I see some up there, but those are not the ones that sold. These are the ones that sold. Alright, these I just picked up a week or two ago for $10.99 at Goodwill, and I listed them high at $89. They're in really good shape, and Merrell, like hiking boots, always do so well. But someone offered me $50. I have $10.99 into them, so that was a very fair offer. I mean, listing at $89 was a very reaching.
Yeah.
So, while $50 might seem like a low offer, I don't think that was a low offer. I
Right.
think that was a pretty fair offer. They're also paying shipping and everything, so they're all in about $65. And
Oh, yeah.
that's about what comps were on eBay, $50 to $60. So, yeah, happy to move those quickly. And do you think those we'll do a regional B because it's Poshmark.
Regional B.
Make our lives easy.
And I think we actually forgot what we're gonna pack this up in. Probably
So even though that's Posh, I'm again wanting to use
the
all my
Halloween
Halloween
mailers.
mailers.
Yeah.
So I'll do that. And by all, I mean as many as I can. I know I'm not going to use 400
Right.
before the end of this month. So, all right, AE. Dude, he's seriously sleeping. You should have seen his eye a second ago. It was so funny.
He gave up on you coming back to rub his tummy.
All right, so these are some Allegria, like a fisherman sandal. I had these listed, I think, at $65. Buyer got the Pasha VA offer, $52 with discount shipping, and accepted. So I have $9.99 into those, so really good sale there. Another regional B. Did I mention how much I love Pasha VA? And also, I love it the most because Poshmark is just the easiest platform to do everything on it.
Yeah.
You can use any box, free box. All you have to do is print the label. It's so easy. So when half of my sales are from Poshmark, it's just the easy shipping day.
Mm-hmm.
All right, AT. All right, so these are some Carhartt men's like flannel lined pants. They only with tag. I got them retail arbitrage for only $7,
Wow.
but they are stamped on like the inner pocket as irregular,
Oh.
which I couldn't figure out what was irregular about them. I measured them; all the measurements add up to the size correctly.
Mm-hmm. It seems
I
pretty
didn't
symmetrical.
see any weird like sewing errors or anything like that. So, I showed all the measurements and I showed all the, said it says irregular, showed all the pictures. Someone offered me $30 and I was happy to accept. So 7 into 30 plus shipping on Mercari. And we will, I need to double check if yeah, this doesn't say. I can't remember because these are pretty heavy. Ooh, I hope I did the right label, otherwise I'm gonna get charged $2. It's not a big deal, but let me just double check really fast. Sometimes usually I like weigh everything before I list it to know how much it weighs, but I probably wouldn't have guessed that those weighed over 3 pounds alone.
Right.
So, okay, I did the 5 pound label, so whew,
Okay,
perfect.
good. Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, worst case scenario, if you underdo your shipping on Mercari, once the buyer gets it and rates you, they're gonna charge you the difference, which in this case would have only been $2, so wouldn't have been a huge deal, but it's always disappointing whenever you get that like email.
Right.
It's like,
Hey, you did something
underpaid the
wrong.
shipping. Yeah. So it's happened to me like 2 times, I think.
And we're not
it was-
sure, but it's possible that can go against your account.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
We're not sure up there, but if you do it too much, I'm sure Mercari would be like, hey, we're not going to do this anymore.
Yeah.
Go sell somewhere else.
I definitely don't do it on purpose, but yeah, I've done it a couple times. I think it's usually where it's just right at that. Thankfully, it's never been a huge
Right.
deal where it's like from first class to priority.
Right.
'Cause that will charge you like $6, but it's been like my 8-ounce label to the 16-ounce, which is like $1 something. So, yeah, just make sure you're measuring or
Right.
weighing your items correctly. And if it's really close, I might just say charge the buyer up the next
Right.
thing just to save yourself, because it's going to be based on what the post office weighs it in at, not what you weigh it at.
Right.
So,
We try to always leave at least a little bit of room there so that if there is a discrepancy between our scale and the
and
post
Mercari's
office
not going to
scales.
care if you tell them, no,
Right.
that doesn't weigh what the post office says it
Right.
weighs. So,
And that is kind of, that's
Yeah.
borderline mail fraud, right? Like,
yeah, if you're doing it on purpose, which a lot of people
I
do,
think even if you're not
honestly.
doing it, if it's an accident,
Well, yeah.
you could still get charged for
Yeah,
it. So, yeah, and I think that's why a lot of people are super scared of shipping
Yeah.
because, they hear, fraud and all this kind of stuff. But,
I mean, it's pretty easy to just weigh your items and charge the right amount.
right.
So, yeah. Lately, ever since I got those 2 on my Mercari, I'm like, okay, if it's 7.5, I'm going to just put the 1
Yep.
pound label and
Yeah.
just not even. Yeah.
Go there. Yeah.
So, last sale today is this. It's a childhood, like a ringer tee. I got this for my son off Kid Is In a while back for $13.14, and I sold it after they wore it for $17 plus ship on Mercari. So made like $1 something profit after they got wear out of it.
Sweet.
Yep. Let's do a purple ghost. All right.
Okay, so we're going to get this stuff all packed up and we'll be right back.
Got an offer.
You got an offer?
Let's see if it goes through. Let's see what it is first, I guess. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
You want to pull it real quick?
Yeah, I'll just pull it.
Okay.
So something I listed yesterday, again, just one of my kids' shirts. Mini Boden.
Yeah, and I'll leave this in the video so you guys can kind of see how long it takes from the time something gets ordered to us pulling an item or whatever. So
Yeah, so I got it pulled up. It's in box AP.
sweet. It took longer because I was explaining what we were doing.
It's this mini Boden shirt. I bought it for my son, and I do remember, I think paying retail, I might have had like one of those $15 coupons Boden sends us sometimes, but I don't remember. And the shirt was probably between $35 to $40 new. So the buyer offered me $36 plus they're paying shipping, so I'm making back just over $30. So might be losing a couple bucks on this or breaking even, but
Yeah.
happy to move it along really fast. Just listed that yesterday, and that will go out in a.
Reese decided to emerge from his
my
bed.
goodness. He's like, if I'm not getting tummy rubs, I'm gonna go move over here and make you annoyed. All right.
He's a good boy.
Back on your bed, huh?
I just think sometimes he gets too hot in there and
Yeah.
likes
Maybe
to
just too
move.
swished. We didn't really measure.
Yeah, he doesn't have a
That's
pillow that he could flip over for the cool side, So he just he moves. We're gonna get this stuff packed up and we'll be right back. All right, guys, got everything all packed up, and
Someone's
this guy's back in his bed after moving to 5 other spots while we were packing up. We did not have any other sales come in, and it is Saturday. It's 2 2:20 right now. Normally on Saturdays we get to our local post office, which closes at 11:30. Today we were just getting this stuff out, and Kathy's gonna go to a different branch, and I don't know, maybe hit up another thrift store or something while she's out. But that is gonna do it for today's What's Sold video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.